Welcome back, boys and girls.
We're doing something a little different today. We are doing the motor mounts in my car.
Yeah.
Switching up.
More important than working on the CRX right now, she's got some bad motor mounts. So, and this is her car. She drives every day. We might as well keep her safe. So, no CRX content this week. We're still just working on body work and mostly just getting stuff ready to work on body work. So, bear with us. We're going to get back on that just as soon as we can. We've got some other projects that we got to get taken care of to get some cars out of here. But today, motor mounts. All right, so.
Did you know that this comes with a cup holder?
What? That's convenient, man. You put your water right there, put your beer right there, whatever it takes, right? All right, so this is what we're going to work on today, guys. We've got a motor mount down in here, a motor mount down in here. There is a motor mount down in there, and one back here, and one more somewhere else, but we'll figure that out as we go. We also have a differential something or other bar. I don't know what the heck it's called, but
Dynamic damper.
Oh yeah, that's it. Differential damper. I don't know. Cheap parts from Rock Auto, so it's gonna make a big deal, a big difference. What?
So Rock Auto, please sponsor us.
Say it again.
Rock Auto, please sponsor us.
Right. So Rock Auto, cheap parts from Rock Auto. So that's our favorite. So. All right. Well, there's nothing to it.
Gasket?
Oh yeah, and we're gonna do a VTEC gasket in the in it too. So you know, it's basically a turbo. All right. So Phoenix, we opted to start with this rear mount. It's right here. Obviously, this is the differential and the rear drive shaft. So this is the mount we're going to be replacing first, since it's easily accessible. There's a couple 14 millimeter bolts here, and here. And Phoenix is going to work on getting those out. And yes, the ratchet is turned the correct way, so she's already got them broken loose. Socket to turn it on with your fingers. You won't mess up your nails. Someone competed in a beauty pageant this week. I'll insert a picture here. And now she's still got her nails done from the pageant. But she's getting greasy. Gotta love it. All right, this is why we're doing this. Old motor mount. Got a whole bunch of dry rot cracks and stuff in it anyways. New motor mount, solid as a rock, no problem at all. So I'm gonna throw this bad boy back up in there now. Hopefully.
I'm using my cup holder.
Okay. She's got a fancy cup holder up on top of the engine bay. Good enough. Okay. I took that down to spec, I promise. And see all these screws right across here? Take all those out.
Okay.
So now Phoenix is going to take out the air box so that we can get to this engine mount on this side. Hit it. Now do it. There you go. Right here. And then right here. All right. Alright, that should be all it needs to come out of there. Got this. All right, cool. Now we got to get this bolt right here. Yeah, that choke right there is really bad. Oof. Super custom. So now you're gonna take that and you're gonna push on there as hard as you can, okay? Push, 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 push. Constant pressure. There you go. There you go. Good push, good push, 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 push. Here, let me help you push, push. Nice. Pressure on, it's fine. Alright, let's grab this bad boy. Grab the 17mm D12 socket. Woo! Okay. I'll throw this back up at her. Okay, we'll throw a nut on that one. We'll throw this bolt back up in this one. Just go. We'll throw a nut on this one right here. We'll throw a bolt on this one right here. Hey, my love. Jack the engine up some. Gotta go in that hole down there, you see it? Well, my hand's too big to fit down in there. To get it kind of sort of started, I'll have to pull out on this one to get it to go. These forkers down to spec. Everybody standing around watching Daddy work today, huh? It's okay. Alright, Phoenix, you put this bolt in. So we're just standing around not doing nothing. I've been doing nothing, man.
I just got out here.
I know. Probably been inside playing on your Nintendo. Which was on your pear pad. What is it called? Your iPod? Your iPad? You got an iPad?
iPad.
Alright, Panini, we're gonna grab this ground wire off. Hopefully. Okay. Jack up on it.
Okay.
More.
It's test drive time.
You know it's not finished until we test drive it. So before, when we drove it, it had a horrible vibration in the front end, and you could hear the engine revving like, it's hard to describe. So as you accelerated hard, the sound of the engine was vibrating through the frame of the car because those motor mounts were hitting metal to metal, and you would hear all that vibration. Just looking at those motor mounts, there's no doubt it's going to help a little bit if it doesn't completely fix it. So we're going to get out here on the main road. We're going to womp on it really good. Let's see what happens. Womp on it. Yes, that's a technical term right there. Technical, everybody. 3, 2.